Hi guys, welcome back to Natural UE. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look. It is a easy protective styling that I did a few weeks ago and I just wanted to share it with you. Basically, the first thing you do is you start out on stretch hair. Make sure your hair is fully stretched. My hair was blow dried, blow out, and I just went ahead and I only put like 3 soft. I put shea butter. That's the Shine and Mist spray by Aunt Jackie, and then the Cream of Nature styling coconut milk cream, yada yada, whatever it's called. So yeah, I started out trying to make sure my hair is fully stretched. A little, it's not too, it's not tangle or anything like that, but I just wanted to make sure that I was able to touch the hair and run my finger through. And it doesn't have to be a straight parting, but you just do whatever preference of parting you have. I'm not really too good with parting my hair straight, so I just go with the flow. So anyways, that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Now, if you're new to this channel, once again, thanks for tuning in. If you're an oldie, I appreciate your support, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. And if you are new, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy what you see, and if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. It is free, and I appreciate the support. So with that being said, yeah, make sure you watch the entire video and look out for more from me. Okay, now I zoomed in so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, and it looked like I'm spending a lot more time on this, but I was really getting annoyed because I was trying to get at least the hair to be straight, but it didn't turn out that way, so we move on. Okay, now I'm gonna be just doing the front section and then carrying on from there. So I make sure I put sulfur. I love using sulfur, especially for my scalp, and this is really good if you have dandruff on your scalp. So that's what I apply on my scalp before I started going ahead and doing the Bantu knot. The way I do Bantu knot is I just do twist and I just kind of wrap the hair around until it looks like that. It's really easy and simple, and like anyone can do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a comment. I will definitely be looking out in the comment section. Thank you once again. I hope you're doing well, and if you're not, I just want to remind you that it will get better, even though things are a little bit hard right now, but things will get better. I'm rooting for you, and I hope you keep your head high. Peace. Okay, so I'm almost done. Finally. This took me quite a bit of time. Maybe like about I don't know, a few minutes to get this done. And this is what it's looking like. Um, I try to have a tighter grip, but because I have sensitive scalp, I'm very careful with the way I pull my hair. So you can see that some are tighter and some are looser. But it's okay. I was just doing this to stretch out my hair more instead of having to keep using a blow dryer. And then I also didn't want to keep touching my hair. The less I have my hand in my hair, the better for me. So less manipulation, the better length I can retain. So yeah, this is it. If you watch it to the very end, thank you very much. I appreciate this. Make sure you click the subscribe button if you want to see more beautiful hair video and hair routine. And hairstylist, not the best hairstylist, but I'm learning. So yeah, I know I had to take a deep sigh because I finally finished, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray the shine balls. I love the citrus smell of this shine balls. I love it. If you don't have this, you should try it out. It's really good. I love the smell of it. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Thank you.